Hi everyone, welcome to at 350 Fahrenheit. I'm your host Surup for today. Today I'll be teaching y'all how to make these adorable and delicious peanut butter blossom cookies. Guys, these are absolutely easy to make cookies. They are made with just three ingredients, which are just granulated sugar, peanut butter, and egg. And this gets ready in less than 10 minutes. These cookies are absolutely gluten free and you can make them easily at home when you're running short of flour or when you have to make something very quickly for your kids. And of course, the combination of peanut butter and chocolate is to die for. So without any further delay, let's quickly get baking. So starting with the recipe, I'm going to need 2 cups of granulated sugar, and to that I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of peanut butter. And once I incorporate the peanut butter into the sugar, I'm gonna add one whole egg to this. Now this recipe makes about 10 to 12 cookies. If you want to double the recipe, you can easily do so. Now I'm gonna combine all of these three ingredients together until my cookie dough is ready. The cookie dough will be a bit thin in the beginning, but don't worry, we are gonna freeze the cookie dough for 20 minutes, and after freezing the cookie dough, they'll be very easy to be used further. So there you go friends, this is how the cookie dough should be looking when you will be mixing in the beginning. It will be liquidy and very thin, but don't worry, don't add any flour at this moment. If you want, you can add some granulated sugar, but this will thicken up as soon as you freeze them. So here I'll freeze my cookie dough for 20 minutes, and after 20 minutes it's gonna look something like this. It's gonna be sticky and lumpy. So I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of the cookie dough and I'm going to slightly roll them between my palms, and as I roll the cookie dough I'm going to place them into this greased baking dish. I'm going to bake these cookies for just 8 to 10 minutes. These cookies have no flour or baking agent in them, so they are not going to spread in the oven, and look how wonderfully these cookies have come out. They just look perfect. And once these cookies are baked, I'll gently stuff in the Hershey's Kisses in the center of these cookies. Stuffing in these Hershey's Kisses is actually the easiest and the best part about this recipe. It calls for no fancy ingredients. You can easily whip up these cookies at home and serve them to your kids or friends. And I'm sure everyone is going to love these cookies. The combination of peanut butter and chocolate is one of the most sought after combination, and these cookies are so easy to make. If you have no flour at home, you should definitely try this cookie because it needs no flour. These are zero gluten cookies and they are very healthy, and of course you'll love to enjoy them. I hope you enjoyed learning about this recipe. You can find the full recipe in the description box below and also at my blog at 350F. If you have any comments, then comment below or go to my blog and comment there. I'll be happy to help you. Thank you so much for your time, friends. Bon appetit.